Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Boost Twins. What's going on guys? New guys, hit the subscribe button. We got some lot of content coming up. Today's video, I'll be installing the motor mounts on the G8. I'll be installing the new motor mounts for the G8. Shout out to Joe LaBruza from G8 Only and SS Only. He hooked it up with some motor mounts for my car. You gotta go to g8only.com and shop. But anyways, we'll be installing the motor mounts today and see how the car actually runs after and show y'all the stuff. But hopefully I got the solid mounts, the tough mounts. Hopefully they rock the car a little bit, but that's what I'm looking for. This is not my daily anymore, so I don't care if it's like annoying or anything like that. But so it's a weekend car now, so hopefully the motor mounts rock the car. It'll be awesome, and see how it goes. But I'll show you how to install them. I'm gonna install them here later on tonight. Heading to work at the moment, so see you there. Yeah, it's been a few months since I drove the car, like a long drive. Hopefully the cup don't come this way, because I do have tinted windshield and expired sticker. Yeah, hopefully it's not coming back. Nice thing over there. But other than that, it's been a few months, probably about 4 months since I got my truck that I drove the car, so we'll see how it acts. So far the coolant level's good, oil pressure's good, so we should be good to go. AC, it's hot in here, no AC because the belt keeps falling off. But other than that, I'm gonna roll the window down and see if I can get some Pro Charger shots for y'all, or sounds when I get on the freeway. But it should be cool. Here goes 90. Okay, yeah, some sounds if we roll the windows down. I don't want to step on it too much, just because I don't want it to break down on my way to work. But on the way back, I'll show y'all better clips. But let's see what we can get. I'm gonna show you like the back pressure pops and stuff. Sounds really good. My motor mounts are really bad. The motor shakes every time I press the gas, and it just causes a lot of issues. So with these new motor mounts, the car will be good. And then on this side, put the extensions into that top of the motor mount, undo it, lift the car up on the stands or whatever, and then take off that bottom motor mount, jack the motor a couple inches maybe, I'm sure, and then motor mount be able to come out. Oh, and take the dipstick off. Alright guys, we got my brother doing the motor mounts on the G8 for me, but here it is. Shout out to Joe LaBruza. Save me the tough mounts. Hope we get the car rocking. Waiting for him to come back so he can do it. But what you do is loosen up this 17, I believe, and the 17 right on top. Jack up the motor, and you'll have enough space to be able to twist the motor mount this way, and then come out through this side right here. Once you come out through this side, there'll be enough space to put in the new one. All right. So once you jack up the motor, should be fine. We just watch this, watch the radiator, watch the hoses. I do have Pro Charger, so you gotta watch the hoses on the Pro Charger. Make sure it doesn't pull anything on it pretty, hard. Here y'all can see my exhaust junk. I will be buying new ones again, since the car's a little higher I'll buy new ones, better ones this time. Probably go back with the Camaro Manzo, the 2-inch, full 2-inch, to 3-inch collector. Here's a 3-inch exhaust I have. The car's low, hits a lot right here, and then has a custom J pipe to 3.5-inch tips, dual. Exhaust leak here. But other than that, we're gonna cut it off here. Now we're putting courses on this car. Axle backs that I found soon. But like I said, I'm gonna change these headers out. I don't like them. They're just too cheap. But okay, so here it is, guys. Manual got it loose, and then when you got it loose, turn the motor mount opposite way, lift it up, and should be able to come out that way. Alright, here it is, guys. Got the motor mounts off. Look at that, really bad. So now I'll be able to do some burnouts. Mounts Pro Series. I'll put the link to g8only.com, owned by Joe Labruza, the man, hooking me up with these. And these are nice. Can't wait to install them, see what the car does. Because honestly, it should shake the motor. These are tough mounts or solid mounts. It should like rock the car. So we'll see how it goes. Go ahead and wait for my brother to go ahead and let him install it real quick. So it is after 10 o'clock off the clock. So other than that, just try to hurry up and do one for now, and then tomorrow I'll do the other one. All right, it's on, guys. It's actually easier to install this water mount than the stock ones. And there it is. I wish I could show you how to take it off exactly. You lift up the motor high enough, and then you just really just do a 360 or 180. There it is, 180, and then pull it out that way. So very simple. Got this side. I actually have to take this side off again because I just noticed that the ear wasn't dropped into the little hole that's on here. So make sure you line up that hole and on this hole, and then you'll be able to tighten up that one right there, which is that one, and that one. Make sure it's tight. So let me do that real quick. All right, guys, and just like that, done on both sides. Here's the other old one. Here it is, the old one. Messed up as well. And good to go. So let me take the car out and see if the car actually shakes. All right, there it is, guys. The motor mounts are done. I'll show you here in a bit of how it feels and this and that in the drive of the car. Other than that, it was pretty easy install. Took about 15-20 minutes on the passenger side and about 30 minutes on the driver's side. Since it's a little harder, you have to remove the steering shaft. It's pretty easy. So here it is, all done. And look at this baller. Got a freaking 2021 or 2020 Suburban. And that's Emmanuel's truck. So it looks good, nice. Check out the inside. Yeah, it's pretty badass truck. Damn it, boy. But other than that, I'll show y'all this here in a bit. I'm hoping the car rocks a little bit. It does feel a lot better, but we'll see how it feels on the freeway. And again, I want to shout out to Joe Labruza at g8only.com. Get your needs there. I'll put the link in the description for those motor mounts. It's the tough motor mounts for the G8. Should be the same for the Caprice, maybe the older style, like the G8 body styles. And I'm sure you can get it for the SS and all the other ones, but I do recommend that mod. It does feel a lot better than that. Yeah, hit them up. I'll put the link in the description in the box down there. Put the decal on. I'm gonna put it on this side. Yeah, it feels really good, guys. Like I said, I do recommend these motor mounts, but I'm gonna show y'all on a sunny day, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, what's up, guys? It is the next morning. Motor mounts are on, but I'm having an issue now. So I was testing out the car with the new motor mounts and everything, and I started going fast. I think I hit it like 100 real quick, and all of a sudden the car started misfiring. So I did pull the plugs off. I don't know, they're bad. Here it is, but they are pretty old already. So new plugs, hopefully that will fix the issue, and then I can go back on the road and see if it actually fixed it. But it feels good. Other than that, let me put new plugs. I actually went with the TR6, and then these were the NGK, the BR7EFs. Pat G took these off of the car and put TR6 and made more power on the boosted LS1 actually. But I'm gonna try these on there, see what they do, see how they feel. If the car feels different, and stick with these. Now I'll order another set of the BR7EFs. So put these on. I already took all of them off. They're all pretty filthy, so throw these on. All right, all the plugs are done. Let's go ahead and check it out. I need to clean the car. The car does shake a little bit, but not much. There it goes, you can kind of tell. Look at the hood. Shakes a little bit, can't really tell on the camera. Let me see if the spark plugs fixed it.